here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I was so MIA for the whole year of 2020. I'm trying to change that for 2021. So welcome to my first video of 2021. Hopefully it's a better year than last year. So I'm hoping to start making videos every Friday. So I should have at least one video for you every week. I know you guys both want to see an apartment tour or an Elson on a makeup tutorial. Stay tuned for that. I will have the apartment tour coming next week with the Elson on a makeup tutorials shortly to follow. But for this video, I'm doing my Ipsy bag opening. I am a sucker for makeup. I canceled my Ipsy subscription, but that lasted maybe a month. So I restarted this month, and so I thought I'd do an unboxing. So here we go. Okay. I do the Glam Bag Plus, so that's what I'll be reviewing today. I love the bag, it's so cute. It's light blue and it just says dream all across it. Ugh. I know I don't need more bags, but I love this one. Okay, let's see what's inside. I picked 3 out of my gifts this month, but Ipsy picked the other 2. So let's see what I got. Ooh! I am always up for more brushes. My brushes are quite old and they are very cheap e.l.f. brushes, which have lasted me, you know, quite a while. But at the same time, ooh, I am always a sucker for new ones. Ooh. Okay, so what I've got this month is the Firma 201. It looks like a kind of stippled, fluffy brush. That'll be good. And for my other brush is a Firma 403, which is a fluffy brush, which I'm in desperate need of because all I was using is a paintbrush. But it worked for me, so, you know, things you do to save money. Ooh! Oh my gosh. A brow kit. I actually don't have one. I don't have a brow grooming kit. So this would be a great addition to my arsenal. Okay, let's take it out. Ooh. Let's see what we got here. Here is, oh, I have a shaping brush. Just a plain eyebrow brush. So we have one end, sorry, for filling in the eyebrows. I don't know if you can see it. And we have one end for brushing them. That's neat. Okay, we have some trimming scissors in case my eyebrows ever get unruly, which, knowing me, yes, they will. Finally, ooh, some tweezers. I definitely need those, have some strays. Okay, what else? Okay, just little promotions from Ipsy. My guilty pleasure, eyeshadow palettes. Okay, this one's by Laura Sanchez. Nudes. Let's open this baby up and see what kind of colors we got. I like the look of it. It's very retro. Oh, these are very bright colors. Comes with a brush. Ooh, and some highlighter and bronzer. Ooh, I am loving this. This will be great for summertime. I'm definitely gonna be using those. Okay. Let's move on to the next thing. Ooh. Another good summer, springtime thing. It is a Watermelon Glow lip pop. Let's open it up. Oh, it looks so pretty. Ooh, it smells like watermelons. I love it. Let's see. I would turn on when I already have lipstick on. So let's do this little swatch. Ooh, I don't know if you can see. It kind of shimmers. Ooh, I like that. It'd be perfect for summer. What is this? Okay, let's open this baby up and see what it is. New brushes. Okay, I'll show you each one as I open them up. Okay. This one is a flat powder brush, number LR375. Here we got a flat shading brush. This is LR002. Ooh, a new blush brush. That's always welcome. Okay, this is LR309. A highlighter brush. It's been my staple lately to do a bit of highlighter on the end of my nose. So this will be great. Okay, so it's LR308. And my last brush is a tapered blending. Ooh. I got lots of blending brushes this time. I'm really excited about it. It's LR007. Ooh. Okay, I think that is the last of it. Okay, so there is my Ipsy Box unboxing. If you want to see more videos like this, leave a comment down below. And just let me know if there's any in particular videos you want to see. I have a couple video ideas coming up. So I'm just trying to compile a list right now of what you guys want to see, so just leave me a comment and I'll try to get to it. Thanks for watching.